Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. What I'm doing here today is I've already taken and I dug out. These are my long gourd seeds that I soaked them for an hour. I'll link this back to the last video where I started them. And I've got the temperature just right. But anyhow, what we're doing here now is I've had these since Tuesday. Put them in here Tuesday. I've had them cooking at 92 degrees. It's actually dropped to 84 since I opened it up. In sealed containers, had the moisture just right. Soaked the seeds for 1 hour. Since Tuesday till Saturday now, that's three or 4 days. Nothing. I opened the seeds up, here they are. Nothing. No roots popping out. Okay. So I'm taking needle nose pliers. And I saw a guy on there posted he's taking them out of the shell and germinated them out of the shell. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take and crack the shell, as you can see right there. I put a little pressure on them. You don't want to crush them, but a little pressure with the pliers. Crack the shell. Going to take that out of the shell. You can see it in there. It's in there. It's live. And then just place that in the dirt by itself. I'm going to do that. Shut them up for a few days. I've already done this one. And take the little, what is the name for that in there? That's the seedling is actually inside that broken shell. So we'll remove the hard shell. So I guess my tip for long gourd growers, you got to file the snot out of the shells, almost bust them out of there. I was talking to Pete Vanderweilen on the phone the other night. He said, yeah, you got to just bust them out of that shell. So file the snot out of these shells. That's the problem with the long gourds. They can't break out of the hard shell. Alright, mystery solved. How to germinate long gourds. And if I had an extra hand here, I'd crack that out of there right now. But very easily, you can take your fingers. I'll take my fingers, crack that shell in half, take that little seedling out of there, and stick it in the moisture. Cover it back up with saran wrap, because I got this just right, just enough moisture. It's actually good and damp. And put it in there, put like 1/4 inch of soil over top of it. Cover it back up with the saran wrap so it doesn't lose its soil. Put the dome cover back on and leave them for a couple of days. And I'll bet you money I'll see ground cracking. Alright, man, join us, WorldwideGiantGrowers.com, for all your growing and gardening tips. How to germinate long gourds. The world record is currently 149 inches, grown by Al Eaton. In 2014, I grew a long gourd that was United States record, 138.5 inches, which is a 1/4 inch shy of the world record in 2014. That's one of Bubba's claim to fame. All right, man, keep them growing. Join us at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. We'll talk to you soon.